Hello, my dear students. This is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics, the Nandar Public School. Okay. Yesterday we have to discuss about electric flux and Gauss law. Okay. So in that case, electric field intensity due to infinite long wire. Okay. First case completed. And coming to second one, application of Gauss law. Second one, uh, electric field intensity of a infinite plane sheet. Okay, which is important. Another one, sphere is there. Sphere not there in this year academic 2020 and 21. Okay, so coming to yesterday's small formula. So electric field intensity of infinite long wire E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. 2 pi epsilon naught. Lambda linear charge density q by L or dq by dl. Next, 2 pi epsilon naught r. R is the radius of the Gaussian surface. Graph. My children, this graph also very important one. Okay, graph between E and R, my dear children. Okay, we can draw the graph like this. Okay, here from this case, E is inversely proportional to R because E, R is there. So, from this, if R value increases, E value decreases like that. We can get a graph like this. Understand? So, the graph between electric field intensity and radius of a infinite long wire, infinite long charge wire, my children. Next, coming to field due to a thin infinite plane sheet, my children. Okay, see, this is charged infinite sheet, my dear children. So this sheet contains charge. Okay, understand? This charge, the plane sheet contain charge. Okay, the charge density we can determine by the formula sigma is equal to charge per unit area, or dq by ds. Understand? So surface charge density, we can denote it. This is surface charge density. Okay, understand what is Gauss law statement, my dear children? Okay, so surface integral of electric field over any closed surface area, which is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times of net charge. Okay, the surface integral of electric field over any closed surface area in vacuum equal to 1 by epsilon naught times of net charge, my children. Understand? Okay, see here, this plane sheet contain two surfaces. Okay, understand? Here, electric field which is 90 degrees. Consider this area ds and de. Here also we can take another side. Okay, here ds or e. Okay, understand? Here the surface area. Okay, yes. Okay, this plane sheet contain surface area. Okay, 2 times of ds, 2 ds or 2a, minus. So here, so what is electric flux ds? Yes, phi is equal to integral of E ds is equal to E into integral of ds is equal to q by epsilon naught. Okay, E into surface integral of ds is equal to 2a 2a. Understand? So 2a, which is equal to q by epsilon naught. Q by epsilon naught. So rearrange this one. E is equal to q by 2a epsilon naught. 2a epsilon naught. We know that q by e. Q by e is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because q by a is equal to sigma. Understand that, children? Sigma is equal to q by a. So finally our formula A is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So electric field intensity due to a thin infinite plane sheet E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, this is the last derivation in the first chapter, my children. So up to this the chapter is completed. Our chapter is completed. Okay, so now I will explain some problems, and I will give worksheet today. Okay, be careful, my dear children. Okay, so I will send a worksheet for you, my dear children. Along worksheet, I will explain everything, my dear children. Okay, yes, I have hard copy. Okay, I will send to you soft copy. Then you can make it print and you can do. Okay, see here, electric charges and fields. First question. Okay, first question. Two charges 3.3 into 10 power minus 5 coulombs and 5 into 10 power 4 coulombs are placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from each other. Find the value of electrostatic force acting between them. Okay, first option they given 13.5 into 10 power 11 newtons. Second option 40 into 10 power 11 newtons. Third option 180 into 10 power 9 newtons. Fourth option 13.5 into 10 power 10 newtons. Okay, here they given charge q1 and q1 and q2 3 into 10 power minus 5 coulombs, 5 into 10 power 4 coulombs. So R is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Okay, understand, my dear? 10 centimeters. So this is CGS system. Okay, the SI system. Okay, here this CGS system also can convert into SI system. 10 into 10 power minus 2 meters. Okay, so what we have to find? Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force we have to find. Is there any formula? Yes, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 by r square. Okay, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, 9 into 10 power 9 into 3 into 10 power minus 5 into 5 into 10 power 4 coulombs divided by 10 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, understand, my children? Yes. Okay, 10 power 9 minus 10 power 5, 10 power 4. Okay, 10 power 13. 10 power 13. Okay, so 9 into 3 into 5 into 10 power 9 minus 5 means 4, 8. 10 power 8, my children. Next, 100 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. Okay, so this we have to return 13.5 into 10 power 11 newtons. 13.5 into 10 power 11 newtons. Understand, my children? Okay, here, so here same charge, positive, and here also positive. So which force this is? Repulsive force. Repulsive force. Option A is correct. Understand, my children? Yes. Coming to next question. Next question. Question number 2. What is the SI unit of electric flux? SI unit of electric flux. A, they given Newton per coulomb meter square. B, Newton meter square. C, Newton meter square coulomb. D, Newton square meter square coulomb square. Okay, understand? So what is the SI unit of electric flux? We know that phi is equal to EA cos theta. Okay, E is equal to F by Q. A is equal to meter square. Phi is equal to Newton per coulomb into meter square. Understand? This is the formula actually. Flux is equal to EA. Flux is equal to electric field intensity and area. Electric field intensity and area. Understand my children? This A is correct. So first question also A. Second question also Newton per coulomb meter square. Newton per coulomb meter square. Understand? Next question. Next question. What is the value of minimum force acting between two charges are placed at 1 meter apart from each other? Okay. So here R is equal to 1 meter. R is equal to 1 meter. Find F. Okay. Understand? We know that formula F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. R is equal to 1. F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by 1. K into Q1 Q2. K into Q1 and Q2. Okay. So here Q1 Q2 is equal to E. K into E square. K into E square. Yes. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. But children, understand? Next question. A glass rod acquired charge by rubbing it with silk cloth. Okay. The charge on the glass rod due to, okay, consider glass rod and silk cloth rub each other. Okay, the charge due to how the glass rod charge acquired in which process? Yes, so friction. Okay, friction, rubbing, friction or rubbing, my dear children. Understand? Next question. If fifth question, if surface integral EDS is equal to 0, okay, inside a surface means what? Okay, see here. So this value becomes 0 means surface integral of EDS is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Okay, if Q becomes 0 means no charge or no net charge. No net charge inside the body, which gives surface integral EDS is equal to 0. Option A is correct answer. There is no net charge present inside the surface. Okay, understand my children? Next, seventh one, sir. Sixth one, my children. Sixth one. For a point charge, the graph between electric field versus distance is given by. Okay, for a point charge, the graph between electric field versus distance is given by. So electric field E and R graph. Okay, so we know that E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by Q by R square. Okay, see here, this we can written as E is directly proportional to 1 by R square. We can get the graph E and R like this. Okay, because R square is there, that's why R square is there, that's why you have to write like this. Okay, this is the option B. Option B. Okay, next question. What will be the value of electric field at the center of the electric dipole? What will be the value of the electric field at the center of electric dipole? So first option 0, second option equal to the electric field due to one charge at center, or twice the electric field due to on the charge at the center, half the value of electric field due to one charge at the center. Yes, so twice the electric field due to one charge of center. Okay, understand? Next question. Okay, next. Charge on a conducting metal sphere present at charge on a metal sphere presented. Okay, this is metal sphere. Okay, charge is there. Okay, we know that charge is always beside the surface. Okay, understand? Charge is always aqueous, which is placed. Okay, whenever you can place inside the sphere, even though the time also charge moving from lower part to surface of the body medicine, surface of the body. Yes, on the surface of sphere, on the surface of sphere. Next question. Next question. Ninth one. The value of electric field inside a conducting sphere having radius r and charge q will be. The value of electric field inside a conducting sphere having radius r and charge q will be. Yes. Okay. So what is that? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, radius r. Okay, understand? E is equal to k into q by r square. You have to write like this. Okay, next. Okay, so this is outside the surface. Next, inside r is equal to 0 inside, and r is equal to 0, q is equal to 0. So then E is equal to 0. Understand, my children? E is equal to 0. C is correct answer. Okay, next one. Which physical quantity having have unit of Newton Coulomb? Which physical quantity? So Newton means force, Coulomb means charge Q, F by Q means E. E is equal to F by Q. Q. E is equal to F by Q means electric field or electric field intensity. Electric field or electric field intensity. Next question. In the process of charging, the mass of the negatively charged body, means we know that consider two bodies, okay, rubbing each other, okay, when uh, so electrons are moving from one body to another body, okay, so here B becomes negative charge and A becomes positive charge. Okay, so here in this process, mass of the B body increases. Because charge, electric charge is there. Electric charge or electron moving from one body to another body. Mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So this amount of mass transferred for each electron transferred from one body to another body. Yes, the mass of the body increases. Okay, mass of the negative charge body. Okay, so next one, 13th or 13th question. Charge on the body integral multiple of plus or minus E. Okay, charge Q is equal to plus or minus E means what? Okay, so we know that property is conservation of charge. Understand, my children? Conservation of charge. So charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, and which is in integral multiple of constant value. Next, okay, next one, very important one. So very creatively asked that question. 14th question. 4 charges plus 8Q minus 3Q plus 5Q minus 10Q. Okay, inside the closed surface. So what will be the outgoing flux? Flux we have to find. Flux phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Understand? Because it is closed surface. Understand? So first we have to find net charge. Okay, so net charge means Q net is equal to plus 8 minus 3 plus 5 minus 10. How much? Minus 13 and plus 13, 0. Understand? Q net is equal to 0. Understand? So due to that 0 by epsilon naught is equal to 0. Okay, understand, my children? Here, yes, option is B. Flux is equal to 0. Phi is equal to 0. Volt per meter. Unit is volt per meter. Okay, next question. Which quantity is vector quantity among the following? Electric flux, scalar. Electric charge, scalar. Electric field, vector. Yes, electric field, vector. Electric potential, it is scalar. My children. Okay, children. So I will give one worksheet. Okay, from the worksheet I did this problems. and objective types. All of you go through this, otherwise I will reduce your internal marks. Okay, if you can any doubts, contact me. Okay, otherwise I will cancel, I will cut your internal marks. Be careful. Okay, so for your betterment, for your future only I will telling these objectives. Okay, understand? Yes, manage.